Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Sony PlayStation DualSense charging station. The box of DualSense charging station looks like this. This charger is compatible with the PS5 controllers. At the back you can see that you can charge two controllers at a time. Inside you will get DualSense charging station, AC adapter, AC power cord and instruction manual. So without wasting any time, let's open this. Let's remove the seal. On opening the box, you will find these user manuals, and here is a charger for your DualSense charging station, and you have the other cable. You need to insert the cable in this charger like this. So one end goes to the DualSense charging station, and the other end goes to the power supply. Let's keep it aside. Here is the DualSense charging station. Here you can see the PlayStation logo. You can insert one controller over here, one controller over here. Here you can see that when you insert a controller, it goes like this, and the charging takes place using these pins. Here you can see the Sony branding. It is very lightweight. At the back you can see some of the certifications. Here is a port for charging. You need to insert the cable over here. You need to insert it like this and connect the other end to the power supply. Here are my two controllers. To charge these controllers, what you need to do is you need to place them in this dock, place them properly. Now you can see the light over here, orange light. It means that the controller is charging. Let's place the another controller on the charging station. Now you can see that both the controllers are charging at a time. Here you can see the orange light. Here you can see the orange light. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.